Hi, book friends. This book is called Love from the Crayons. Each crayon shares love in its own special way, showing that love looks different for everyone. Let's open the book and read their colorful messages. Okay, Love from the Crayons. Let's begin. Love is red because love comes in all shapes and sizes. Love is purple because love has its own imagination. Love is brown because sometimes love stinks. Love is gray because love can be small and soft or big and strong. Love is white because sometimes love is hard to see. Love is green because love is helpful. Love is yellow and orange because love is sunny and warm. Love is blue because sometimes love is stormy. Love is pink because love can be silly. Love is peach because sometimes love can hide. Love is black because love isn't always bright and colorful. Love is every color. Whoa, look at all the crayons. They love each other. Whoa, and look at this crayon. It's a rainbow crayon. It colors in all the colors. And that's the end of Love from the Crayons. Can you clap with me? Yay! Did you know all the colors in this book? Like the red and the purple and the green and the orange. Ooh, I love all the colors. Do you have a favorite color, friend? My favorite color is green. Yes, every color and every person matters. Until next time, bye, book